My name is McKenna. I'm General Manager for James Jones and Sons Limited, responsible for their timber processing operations in South Scotland. So James Jones and Sons Limited has been operating for over 180 years. We're still in family ownership, and during the course of that 180 years, timber and timber processing has been core to the family's business. The company's grown over the years. We currently employ over 2,100 employees globally. Just over 1,000 of them are based in the UK. PEFC certification is all about sustainable forest management. In the UK, they endorse the UK Woodland Assurance Standard, and that means that the timber that we process through the mill is grown to the highest possible environmental standards, and we can ensure traceability of that product to our customers, both for the sawn timber and then also the co-products we produce on site at the sawmill as well. So certification supports our business economically by providing us access to market. We sell our products to a large number of national and multinational companies. They're all very interested in where the material that they're sourcing has come from, and the sustainability credentials are essential, so it gives them the assurances they need to be able to use our products for their products as they sell into their markets. So it's an internationally recognised standard. It's something that our customers really value. We sell our products to a large number of national and multinational companies, and they're looking for the assurances that the timber that they're buying is coming from a sustainable source, so we can demonstrate that chain of custody through PEFC. So PEFC certification gives us that access to market. We deal with a number of blue chip companies, and they are looking for the assurance that the timber that they are buying is going to come from a sustainable source. PEFC works really well for the supply chain because of their focus on sustainable forest management. So PEFC endorsed the UK Woodland Assurance Standard. This is a standard that's been developed within the UK, so it's relevant to our context. And PEFC are an organisation who really promote that very highly. So productive forests have a huge impact on the local economy. We're stood here in South Scotland currently, where we've got one of the largest areas of productive timber growing within the UK. As a result of that, there's hundreds of millions of pounds worth of investment has been made over the years in timber processing machinery, and these sites generate a lot of jobs. The site we'll go to just shortly employs over 200 people. Directly and also indirectly, there are a large number of people involved in engineering, timber haulage, and all the other associated supporting industries that allow us to operate. So responsible forestry supports long-term jobs. The timber that we're growing is often grown on a 30 to 40 year rotation. We're requiring rotation after rotation to come out of our forests to allow us to operate in the long term. The company that I work for has been operating for over 180 years. I'm really pleased to say we have a large number of long-serving employees on site, and we've even got multi-generations of the same family working on site. So traditionally I've had a large number of fathers and sons who've worked. We've now got a daughter for the first time. We're looking forward to more of that. So we've got a daughter, her father, but also her grandfather worked for James Jones as well. So responsible timber sourcing allows us to have the raw material that we need through the generations, and it supports the local economy by being able to provide jobs for people from often within the same family. So I think the investment in the timber processing industry that we've seen in this local area is a real example of the economic benefit of sustainable timber management. So without the forest being managed on a sustainable basis, we wouldn't have the confidence to invest the amount of money we've invested in timber processing machinery and in turn create the jobs that the machinery provides. So we supply a market throughout the UK, but the majority of the timber that we're sourcing for the mill is coming from within a 50-mile radius of the sawmill. So timber is an essential resource that we use in our everyday lives. The crop that we see behind us has been planted probably in the last 3 or 4 years. In the next 20 to 30 years, that will grow into a crop that will end up coming to our sawmill. We'll then be able to convert that into timber that will end up in construction, some that may well end up in fencing, and also pallets and packaging, so providing us all with the goods and services that we need. So certification is critical for our ongoing success. Our customers are looking to know that the products that they're buying come from a sustainable source, and being able to have a PEFC certification associated with our products allows our customers to have those assurances.